Changing your primary bank on Sprinto is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure a smooth transition. Step 1. Log into your Sprinto account. Access your Sprinto account by entering your credentials on the login page. Make sure you have your username and password ready. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, locate the Payment Settings section in your account dashboard. This is typically found in the account or billing area. Step 3. Select Bank Account Information. In the Payment Settings, find the option for Bank Account Information or Payment Methods. Click on this to view your current primary bank details. Step 4. Update your primary bank. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use the SROT to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. After entering the new bank details, save your changes. You may receive a confirmation prompt or email to verify the update. Follow any additional instructions provided to complete the process. By following these steps, you can successfully change your primary bank on Sprinto. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Sprinto's customer support for assistance.